The area of research that we focus on primarily is in an area called One Health. And under the One Health umbrella, which is where you work on complex public health issues at the human, animal, and environmental interface, we spend most of our research effort looking and focusing on emerging infectious diseases. So one of our projects that we're working on is a collaboration with Dr. Tracy Baker and Dr. Bridget Baker, who are also UF faculty members. And that project is focused on looking at the quality of water that exists in Michigan.
Right now we're working on detecting the antibiotic-resistant genes in fish samples and also the water samples that have been collected.
Antibiotic resistance occurs when bacteria adapts and survives exposure to antibiotics. And it often causes drugs ineffective. It's a global health concern, and it jeopardizes the effectiveness of treatments.
What's unique about this study, though, is that we also are testing fish that have been collected from those sites to look at whether or not the antibiotic-resistant genes are being taken up into the fish. And this could have really important implications, as that antibiotic resistance is not just something that's existing on the surface of the water or just in the reservoir of the environment. It's actually going into organisms and can have an impact on those organisms in different ways.
It's a very concerning thing if it does exist in them, because that means that it would really jeopardize the entire ecosystem.
Of course, the lakes that are up there are really important ecological sites where you have accumulation of water coming from different sources, and they can be a litmus for the health of that water.
Preventative and proactive work is very critical in almost everything, and finding this will just serve us as a warning.